So we're in Powder Springs, guys. Out here looking at Prince's property. He's a Prince. Obviously, I'm the construction king. How ironic. The king is looking at Prince's property. What's up, man? It's Geno J, the construction king, along with a good friend of mine first, Jose. Man, we go back, what, at least a decade?
Yeah, at least.
At least a decade, man. And I think the first house you did was like probably McAfee or something. It had to be something in Decatur, man.
McAfee was the first
Yeah,
one.
it had to be something in Decatur. Yeah, it's been a long time, man. But listen, man, if y'all need a siding guy, window installer, call me first, and I'll put you in touch with him. Now, give me information, bro.
706-239-7253. Again, 706-239-7253.
Said he hasn't heard anything back, and I told him to call him. Called the, we just see it off the street would be where that master bathroom is at. That little pop out.
Yeah.
Maybe the pop out, but I'm not sure if it's enough space for it. You know what I'm saying?
And that'll add a lot of extra value, and that should look really good, man. I did it on my Jack Glass house.
Yeah, I did see a couple to that house. Yeah, are you how long do you plan on being there? I'm like 10 minutes away.
Yeah, I'll be here when you get here.
Okay, all right, sounds good. I'll be sure.
All right, it's got brick on them, and from an appraisal standpoint, they give you a little bit more value when you just have brick versus siding. See, they got that whole basement area brick and that garage brick, so we may have to repeat a similar process, man. So let's walk around back, and I'm gonna try to see. But if I had to do brick, I would do like the garage brick and maybe just the front of that brick. That'll kind of give it some pop. And then the rest siding, yeah, or do all three of those. Because I just want it to be balanced. So if I did that front brick, I would definitely do the garage brick. So you have brick on each. Yeah, the wood can be in the middle. That'll really give it some pop too. So we're in Powder Springs, guys. Out here looking at Prince's property. He's a Prince. Obviously, I'm the construction king. How ironic. The king is looking at Prince's property. What's up, man? Gene, how you doing, man?
Yes, man.
Nice to meet you.
I spoke with Jamal this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Cool,
I spoke
cool.
with Prince. Yeah,
Yeah. You about to looking at joining the program, man?
Yeah. I come from multifamily. I started off institutional.
Okay.
Multifamily.
Man, you about to kill this,
Spent a number of
man.
years in Sydney, Australia. Me and my wife and kids back south. I'm from Memphis originally.
Okay.
But yeah.
So I got an idea, man. I'm gonna run it by you, Prince, and let me know what you think about it, man. So I'm looking at how we can just really set this front off. And if I'm doing brick, I like to kind of have some balance.
Okay.
So this section right here, not the sides, just the front, I would brick that. And if I brick that, I would definitely do one or two things. I would brick this one and brick this one.
The middle or the...
Yeah, both of the middles. I would brick both of those, but if you brick both of those, in the between can be regular siding because it's enough brick. But on this one, you want to probably do like a board and batten look. So if you had white brick, maybe you can do like a board and batten look and have like a black garage or something. This is just me thinking out loud. So that's one option. The other option is brick this one, but to make it have some balance, I would brick this outside, and then here you can do a different design. Maybe it's a board and batten type look, but I would still keep all the color palette in the middle the same, man. I wouldn't go like, the only colors I would change is that middle, that way it has some balance. But I would, if I did board and batten here and brick this one and brick the side, I would have whatever the brick is, I would have the same paint on that board and batten or something. But that's your choice. If they got a nice board and batten there, it would be something like similar to that, but a little bit different. Doing the brick. Back here, I would keep it simple, because if you brick this, that's gonna look really nice. Yep, just the concrete. And having all the concrete brick here on the side, that's gonna look nice. And then in the back, what I would do is this. I would do all regular siding in the back. Yeah, I would just do everything just regular siding. You see how they got regular siding in the back?
Yeah.
I would run the same thing. And then in the middle, I would do regular siding and maybe change the pattern of the siding. Maybe we can run it horizontal or just do a different siding altogether. And I would paint that middle a different color.
Really, the more batting in the middle.
Yeah, board and batten in the middle too. That would look dope.
Just to break it up.
Just to break it up so it don't look all just plain. And the thing is, what's gonna make it look stand out is gonna be the color palette, man. Because if you got like, and I know you got a darker color and you can use whatever colors, but if I'm doing white on this, I would do black in the middle, and it would give it some pop. If you just did all regular siding, it's just gonna look really plain and boxy. But to save money and not overcomplicate it, everything regular, and then do something different in the middle. And the difference could be just board and batten.
Okay. So pretty much matching the front and the back.
Yep.
In regards to the middle.
Yep.
Siding and then some type of brick accents.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that would be cheaper than all panels anyways, right?
It would be way cheaper than all panels. Yeah. And that's not like, if you did just all the way around, that's not
that little patch right there.
yeah, that's not nothing crazy, man.
Brick is
Brick is like $40 a brick. I mean, 40 cents a brick. Jose, what I'll do is I'll email you the plans so you have them. But let's price everything out with just regular siding and then panels in the middle, just in the middle.
Here in the front?
Yeah. I'm gonna take pictures and write on the pictures when I send you the plans.
Okay.
So you'll know, like, I'll color code it. Red is regular, blue is brick, yellow is panels. And then you just do the takeoff from there, man.
and the roots.
Yeah.
What I do?
Tongue and groove. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
You can never go wrong with that tongue and groove, man.
Okay.
Yep, tongue and groove. And I'm about to order a bunch of stuff from China too, like panels and stuff. Oh man, a third of the price, bro.
Yeah.
Like I'm ordering the Trex.
The flooring.
Yeah, for here, like the Trex,
Show me that.
the composite. Oh my God,
Oh yeah.
shit's so cheap.
In regards to the
Yeah, we could do concrete or like a Trex board on the top. That look nice. But I'll call my concrete guy. I'm gonna send him the picture so he could just come measure without me being here.
Okay. Yeah, I've been working.
What's this about 6 feet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8. Yeah, it's 8 feet.
Yeah, those 3 feet.
They didn't move this wall yet though, did they?
No, they took everything out. Too big.
I guess. Man, see if I got some spray paint in my car, Don. Look up under my seat. Let's just spray it off. Yeah, it's just gonna be all electrical. What I've been doing, you could do either option because you need a oven. I've been getting the 48 stoves and just using the stoves. Yeah, then when I do the built-in, I just do like the microwave only built-in. And it gives you the same look and it kind of saves because like I can get those stoves for like, $4 grand, $5 grand, some good ones, maybe, whatever. And in the microwave, they normally like $1,300. So you just have that appliance and that appliance, and then your refrigerator.
I thought those stove tops, just the single stove tops, were cheaper.
Okay, they might be. They probably run about $2 grand for a good one.
Okay.
But then they're about the same because if you did the stove top, then the double oven might be $3,500.
Gotcha.
So it's probably the same difference.
Okay. And if I just do a cabinet, or
Yeah.
if I just do a microwave, I could have more cabinets.
Yeah, it just comes down to preference, man. But I'll show you how the microwave joint looks. You know, you may have a big vent hood and have some open space on the uppers. And then, you know, you have all your bottom cabinets and then keep your refrigerator and all that stuff over there and just have a clean look. That works too.
Yeah. I think the clean look just. Those guys should be coming out tomorrow to do that.
So minute, it ain't gonna be like, you know, you add in like four more square feet ain't gonna make a difference on the sales price.
Gotcha.
But just design it as a grill station, and that could be a nice little feature for a homeowner, and just stub out a gas line for it.
Yeah, they put it over there.
Yeah.
So I just gotta get them to move it.
And you ain't gotta put it out, just duck it in, man. But that's a great feature. It's right off the kitchen. Somebody want to grill outside, it's like right there.
That's your original thought?
Yeah, that was. Yeah,
And keep it nice. Yeah.
That was the original thought.
I would proceed with putting it in, and then when you have your framing inspection, talk to the inspector about it. Yeah, instead of 4 use 2, just boom, boom. But this is a bedroom, you need an egress window, so the opening window might have to go right here. Yeah. What I do, like on mine, cause they might be like $800 to $900, and then I just get like a they got some good ones, man, that won't break the bank. Just make sure you get
With the valve.
yeah with the valve, and just make sure it lines up.
Gotcha.
Cause you can get these, and that should have come with the valve. Like the kitchen ended right here, and it's like, shit, too small.
I didn't even think about that.
Too small.
You should have. They got next door neighbors.
It's too small, man.
Maybe his buddies from Chicago will come
Yeah, it's
by
too
and
small.
next door to him too.
But now this is grand, man. Somebody walk in through the front door, and like the grand height, they look to the right and like, damn, this kitchen's massive. Dining room staged over there. They see like a bar area, the refrigerator. So all this space feels like just kitchen space. Big island with stools is gonna feel very entertaining. Then you got a huge pantry. Then you got the mud room. It's just so much space, man. Out here in Powder Springs with my guy Prince. He's putting some final details on this amazing house over, shit, I forgot how many square feet, but the motherfucker big as hell. And the shit about to be dope as hell. So y'all stay tuned, y'all lock in, y'all tap in and follow. We out.